For all the latest updates, subscribe to News9.
As the world battles against the deadly coronavirus, technology has emerged as one of the major tools. Several countries have relied on contact tracing apps, either from the government or third-party developers, abate privacy concerns. Smartphone users in the UK have reported a new coronavirus tracing software tool that has now shown up on their devices. This new update has emerged even without the users downloading any related application. A COVID-19 exposure logging tool has appeared in the settings of both Android phones and iPhones. This has come as a part of an update of their operating system. However, this is just a tool and not a standalone app in itself. Though it has been automatically updated in several devices, it is currently turned off and not available for use. This tool is meant to enable an app to run in the background while still using Bluetooth. The tracker is expected to calculate the difference between two phones which have the update. It will then alert the user in case anyone near them tests positive for coronavirus.
This is not a new app, but it is an extra element added to the phone's operating systems to enable approved developers to build apps that can potentially warn of proximity to infected individuals. Only apps approved by Google and Apple will be included in their app stores, where they try to make use of this facility.
People expressed concerns given the dodgy history between contact tracing apps and privacy concerns. The fact that they added COVID-19 exposure logging to our phones without our permission and didn't tell us is why we have every right to never trust anything. The exposure tool has come soon after the much talked about failure of the UK government's contact tracing app. The app was touted to be one of the major tools as the country started wriggling out of lockdowns. Instead, the inaccuracy and unreliability of the app soon came to the fore and has become a matter of humiliation to the government. The app was unable to spot 25% of nearby Android users and 96% of iPhones during a trial. Following this, the government announced that they were abandoning the app as it didn't work well with iOS.
Our app works well on Android, but Apple software prevents it being used effectively for contact tracing unless you're using Apple's own technology. After we started work on our app, Google and Apple started working on their own product. Our app won't work because Apple won't change their system, but it can measure distance.
However, users around the world are yet to receive any such tool or feature on their OS. But, abate privacy concerns and minor hiccups, contact tracing apps in most countries are doing a decent job. This tool is a part of that collaboration between the tech giants. It enables handsets to exchange data and alert people if they have been near someone who is found to have coronavirus.